Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Please journey with me as I made my first sweet potato pudding. So there we have our sweet potato. We're going to dice them, then we're going to blend. Yes, you heard correct. We're going to blend. Here is our coconut. So we're going to get our coconut juice from this. Look at it dry. You see that? And we're going to also put a little of the coconut into the potato and mix and blend as well. Consistency you want, I'm thinking, right? And don't worry, I have the same thing. I blend the coconut in. I didn't bother wash it out because, of course, sometimes you want a little bit of the coconut trash. So there it is. Not too watery, but everything's smooth and nice. So I want to see if we're going to get the right outcome. So here we have our dry ingredients. Hope you can see. This is flour, cornmeal. We also have some spices. Basically mixing everything together, a little pinch of salt. So we're going to use some butter as well. So we're going to melt this to place in. So mix up all our dry ingredients together, and then we're going to go in with our potato mixture. I'm actually going to mix the dry ingredients first, and this has some vanilla in it as well because I don't want it to be lumpy. So I'm going to mix this first, all my dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of coconut milk. We're going to go in and mix it around to ensure it is smooth, right? Because we don't want to have a lump in our thing, you know. So this is nice and smooth. What we're going to do now, we're going to add our potato. We're not going to add everything all at once. You don't want it to be too watery. You don't want it to be too thick. So this consistency looks okay. So I think in all I use about 2. So there we go. We're basically ready to go in. I'm gonna put a little butter on. Pour it into our baking tin that was greased already. Oven is being preheated just before we start. Once we're done, we're going to cover it with foil paper. So where somebody did that, I'm going to try that method because I want it to be, don't want it to be too dry. So we're going to cover it with foil, and then we're going to pop it into the oven for about 40 minutes. Then we take the foil off for another, and then pop it back in for another 40 minutes. We're going to go pop this into our oven. So of course we want our pudding to have that nice softness to the top. So here we are making this, and we're going to place it on the top, right? So it's really coconut milk, vanilla, and some cinnamon and mixed spice and a little sugar to taste. Just for about 10 minutes we have it on, and then we're going to put it on top of our pudding. So this is after 1 hour So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place this right on the top. We're gonna pop it back in our oven for another 15 minutes. So this is after the first 15 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some more of the ingredients that I make on the top, pop it in for another 10 minutes, and then we are all done. I can't wait for you have this. See, then now, Trina first time baking a sweet potato pudding. Me no know, I'm gonna put it for cool, but it look like it a got taste good. Oh my gosh. NASA, wanna think, wanna think. Let us see now already. Seems like, wait. NASA. Trina, you go on up with yourself, girl. My first time trying potato pudding. I wonder how it tastes. Woo! See it then now. See it then now. You see it nice. It come out nice. Look down. You can't talk to me. Can't talk to me. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Who can talk to me? What's that? Ooh. Wee. Almost like a little bit burnt some part, but that's okay. So now we're gonna try. We're gonna slice it and see what it's looking like. Don't talk up to me. When taste up this. Trina go on it herself, man. No, sir. See it then now. See it then now. Ooh. Trina go on up with herself. See it then now. Wow. Look at this. Look at it. Nice. So it's tasting time now. So we're going to taste it up now. Now talk up to me, Trina, do our first pudding. Oh, there we go. You know, I thought it would be sweet. But it's not sweet. It tastes good. I think I get 8 out of 10. I'm going to ask some people to rate me. It tastes good. It tastes really good. Not so. Tastes good. Tastes good. So it's from my kitchen to yours. Thank you so much for watching. And try it for yourself. Bye guys, until my next video. See you then. Now, this is the finished product, guys. No man, Trina. Trina, go on up with us.